Welcome to Lesson 7 of the Listen and Learn series from the Christmas Light Academy. Let's talk about getting leads. Because you can have the best lights, tools, and team in the world, but without leads, there's no business. So let's walk through a handful of strategies that actually work, from free methods to paid options. Start local. The first step is to make sure people nearby know you exist. That means setting up a Google Business profile. It's free and shows you in local searches when people Google things like Christmas light installation near me. Add photos, reviews, service area, and your contact info. Keep it active during the season. It works. Use Facebook and neighborhood groups. There are tons of local Facebook groups, community pages, and neighborhood threads. You can post your services, answer questions, or share before and after pics of jobs you've done. Keep it helpful and authentic, not spammy. People love hiring someone they feel connected to. Yard signs and door hangers. We've said it before and we'll keep saying it, yard signs work. Leave one at every job site you install. Place them at busy intersections and especially in neighborhoods where you want more business. Door hangers are another simple way to make an impression. Leave them with a clean message and a phone number. Done right, they get calls. Partner locally. Reach out to landscapers, realtors, pool companies, or painters, anyone with local homeowner connections. Offer a simple referral bonus or just build a relationship. You'd be surprised how many leads come from networking with businesses already in the home service space. Get creative. Keep flyers in your truck or car. As you drive around town, stop in at a boutique, coffee shop, or small business and introduce yourself. You don't need a pitch, just let them know what you do and leave a flyer or two. You're planting seeds. It adds up. Run paid ads. Facebook and Google ads can be very effective, even on a small budget. If that's not your thing, good news. There are ad agencies that specialize in running holiday lighting ads for you. Some handle your targeting, creative, and landing pages. We'll include a few recommended ones in the description below. Just know you don't have to run ads to succeed, but if you can, they help you grow fast. There's no one perfect way to get leads. The decorators who succeed are the ones who try a few methods, track results, and stay consistent. Set up your Google Business profile. Use Facebook groups to connect locally. Drop yard signs at every job. Leave door hangers or flyers. Build local partnerships. Consider running ads or hiring an agency. You don't have to do everything. Just start.